And so in this question here, we're going to be asked to solve for x, and we're left with the rational equation. So really what our first goal is to find our LCD and use that to eliminate the denominator. So my LCD, I like to break it down into numbers with a problem like this, and then also a variable. Well, the numbers I have are 2, 8, and 4, and my LCD between those three numbers would be 8. That's the smallest number that all three of those numbers can divide nicely. All right, 8 is divisible by 2, 8, and 4. So there's our number. And lastly, our variables, we have x and we have x, so really I just need to have an x in my LCD. As long as I have the correct, thank you, Mr. Thornley. As long as I have my correct LCD, every denominator should cancel. So if I multiply by 8x on everything, all my denominators will cancel out. So I can cancel the x's here, and then 8 and 2 reduce down to a 4. So I'm left with 4 here, minus, here the 8x completely cancels, and I'm left with a 3 here. And then lastly, I have 8 divided by 4 is 2, so I'm left with a 3 times 2, which is 6x. Now, a couple people will do them differently. They might do 3 times 8, which is 24, divided by 4, which would give me 6. Either way, you'll end up with 6x over here. So what I have on the left-hand side would be 1 equals 6x divided by 6, and we get x equals 1/6. Really not too bad once you know what your LCD is and you cancel out the denominator. Real easy problem from this point on.